Alright. This is a shot you've been waiting.
I got bird hunting for the first time in my life.
Alright now, calm down.
He's stupid.
Okay.
We got our blowguns here.
What do I do with it?
Alright. We got this bird over here. And I'm taking my son here.
He's
Bird hunting for the
stupid.
first time.
Let's go.
Oh, he's stupid.
Alright. That's the shot you've been waiting for. Take him out. What about his misery? He dying already. We had to do this.
Oh, sorry. I didn't push it in too far. Oh my gosh, hold on.
Make sure you... Hey, it's the shot you've been waiting for. And give him another one.
That's my only dart, man. I'm so sorry, Marty.
What have you done?
Suck it back to life. Okay. Amazing grace, how sweet the chirp when it first laid like me. So I found a friend for me, and it will always be my true friend.
All right now, that's your first bird. Good job, son.
I feel so bad.